Confessions of a Wholesale Guru. That's right, guys. It's Rick Ginn with Flip with Rick. And in this video, I'm going to give you the biggest confession of what the wholesale guru is trying to pitch to you. But before we get started, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button to continue to receive the absolute best free wholesaling information on the internet. Guys, this is going to be an interesting video, and it's one you're going to watch. Those that know me in the past is I did some old marketing tactics, and to be honest with you, I was talked into it, and I was never a big fan of it. And you guys don't see me at a lot of these conference events with all like the gurus and stuff like that, because I'm busy in my real estate investing business actually buying real estate. My focus is not on coaching students. To be honest with you, the industry is beyond abused. Everybody does it. There's no barriers to entry. And the big secret is these people running these large, not even large, these coaching platforms, that's their business, guys. It's actually easier to do coaching than it is real estate investing. And a lot of them have like small real estate investing business and huge coaching programs. So here's what I'm going to do. The confessions from me, Rick Ginn. I used to do some of these tactics. I'm just here to share it with you. I'm not picking on any particular guru. To be honest with you, there's a lot of high quality ones out there. But for the most part, there's so many gurus now. The reason you're watching this video is because you can't figure out like who's real, who's not. And to be honest with you, there's no easy way to do it. So what I'm going to do is share secrets from myself. This is the Rick Ginn confession. At one point, I sold coaching programs. I did some one-on-one consulting, and I actually enjoyed it. The problem is I cared so much about people. I wanted everybody to win. And I'm going to share the strategies and the tips and the tactics that I was told I need to make a massive coaching business. And you guys know which path I chose. I just gave it up. So back in 2013, I sold some individual products, and you'll still find them out there on the internet. To be honest with you, I signed licensing agreements, so they have to stay up. But I moved forward. I said, there's got to be a better way. When I wound up working with my son, there's no difference. So let's go through the tactics. Remember, I'm not picking on anybody in particular. I'm picking on the industry, and I'm here to change it. It's nuts. So spending $10,000 to learn wholesaling is really where you need to stop. It drives me insane. It's such a basic tactic. And I've shared enough videos with me and Zach to show you absolutely how to do your first deal for absolutely free, meaning no coaching fees. Maybe you spend a little bit. I'd rather you spend your money on marketing and figure out how to get your first deal, because so many people think by getting a coach, it's going to solve their problem. I'm going to be honest with you. The minute you hire a coach, that's when your problems typically begin, because you got to understand, by paying that fee, it's going to lift a weight off your shoulders. And then what's going to happen in a week or two, you're going to find out that weight's double, if not triple the weight, because it's going to be on you to succeed, not so much the coach. They're just there to give you guidance. The problem is there's so many bad coaches out there with such little experience. It's terrible. So what I'm going to do is start out what we call marketing code words. And these are words you guys have all heard, and it's taught in the business. Now, it's old school teaching, but people are still using it to this date, and it blows me away. So let's start out with the code words. I'm going in no list of order. If you see these words, I want you to go, uh-oh, I'm about to be sold. So let's run through it. The word value has been so abused by real estate coaches and mentors, I don't even know what it means. Everyone says, oh, I'm getting tremendous value. I'm getting massive value. The word value, and I'm not an English major. I assume it's an adjective to describe something. It's not quantifiable for me. So when I ask people, what value did you get? Well, he told me this, she said this, she said that. Okay, show me the actual value. Like, where in your spreadsheet did you do it? Where did you implement it in your marketing? Where did you get your deals from? How did you increase profitability of your company? That's value to me. Using the word value haphazardly, it drives me freaking nuts. And the word massive in front of value, it makes it 10 times worse. So it's like saying he's killing it. What? Here we go again. Like these are like code cover-up words. I don't get it. So value, massive value. Nuggets is an old one. Nuggets refers to like I got a gold nugget. I got a nugget of this. I asked him specifically what the nugget. He goes, well, there's a lot of nuggets. Too many nuggets means you're in the wrong place. And I'm just telling you. And the word secret, guys, you know what I feel? The word secret, it should not exist in wholesaling. Anybody who's trying to market you says, listen, if you join my group, if you join my coaching program, I'm going to give you my secret list. There's no secrets. They learned them from other people. A lot of them learned them from me. I learned them from somebody else. Nobody has a trademark on getting lists. Data is constantly being updated, and data does not lie to you. It just tells you where to go. And data changes over time, but there's certain things that always hold true. So anyone tells you they have a secret list vendor they use, no. They're flat out starting a relationship with you based on lies. So the word mastermind it used to be an organic idea where really smart minds got together and had a secret meeting and shared an abundance of wealth of information. Well, now a mastermind is anywhere from 5,000 to 30,000. I've seen them as high as 50,000. And they tell you about this fake criteria. You got to enter it. To be honest with you, as long as you can write a check, you're in them. I've been pitched by every one of them, and it never stops. I'm not saying they're all bad, but like when you get 100 people in a room and they're rotating the groups and they're still charging exact same fees, I found brand new newbies in these groups, and I was told you had to do at least 50 or 100 deals a year. And then I turn around and they're taking brand new newbies. Listen, it's all about money. It's a business. That is their business model. Just choose them wisely. There's some very good ones out there. I'm not picking on them, but masterminds are what boot camps used to be. Boot camps used to be, it was a military term, and it got so abused in real estate investing, particularly in wholesale, nobody wanted to go to boot camp anymore. And my prediction is like masterminds they're getting the same knock. They're just respinning the title on it, and it drives people nuts. Anybody who tells you they're going to get your secret private training, there's no secrets. There's no private. There's going to be a ton of other people when you do it. The word limited. You guys, when you see limited seating, hey, there's only X amount of spots left. I can see that coming a mile away, and you should too. There's no limited spots. They're just trying to get you to take action. It's the oldest marketing trick in the book. And like it works on like a Tony Robbins event because the guy literally sells it out. But like most wholesalers, they're just trying to get, so if they have like 7 seats left, it means only have one person there. They're just trying to get some more in, and they just rebrand it however they want. BOGOs, it's like if you buy one ticket, you get one free. Yeah, they're going to let the other person come free anyway. So it's like, don't let that use on like a marketing tactic. And here's a big one. And I could go on this stuff forever, guys. I just telling you, smarten up, man. Like understand you're being marketed to and you're being pitched for a coaching business. And it truly is a business model for them. Some of them do investing, but most of them get so excited about the coaching, they just leave investing. How many coaches and mentors you know out there that really don't even have a real estate business anymore? I get it. They made a lot of money in real estate, but if it's so profitable and so successful, why wouldn't they keep it going? It makes no sense to me, guys. And that's what I'm trying to expose to you. I once went to the dark side, and by this confession telling you, I looked at becoming a real estate coach, and I was just disgusted with the business model. Now, I'm pretty much the wild child in this business because I don't follow real estate, especially wholesaling coaching models. So I'm giving it away for free. And you know what? An awful lot of people doing it, and I don't care anymore. I want to make it as transparent as possible for you. Oh, by the way, the last little tip on this, anybody who offers a payment plan, I'm just telling you like what's going on. Now, specifically for a coaching program, if you can't afford it, like don't get into it. Go out and find it for free. Use the little money you have on some just marketing dollars. But if you're going to spend 5, 10, 20 grand on a program and you got no money left after that, what is that coach telling you by taking your last dime? Especially when you're swiping a credit card and doing it on a payment plan. They're already starting you off in a hole and they know it. And it's just the truth. I'm the only one who's probably going to admit it publicly, and I don't care who comes after me. I really don't care. I make my own living. I make my own fortunes. I don't depend on the guru community to get me the ends. So what I do is I depend on people like you to help me share this information, be honest, be sincere about it, and help you get your first wholesale deal without having these huge financial hurdles to get a coach only to find out that it wasn't what you thought it was going to be. Guys, why not just sit here at Flip with Rick and take action? We do deals almost on a daily basis. I love real estate. I share the deals with you. So many coaches, they want to, well, my students do, they don't do deals anymore. You are the deal. You are their biggest flip. They are flipping students and they're not flipping real estate anymore. So here's what's coaching's lacking, okay? It's lacking complete freedom of transparency through the internet. They're not authentic, and you can tell. You can tell by the BS lies that come out, a lot of them. A true coach would share everything, how they structure the deals, what they pay their employees, everything. And you'll find like a lot of shells get moved around when you get in there. They don't want to share information because maybe they don't have it as an effective real estate flipping business as you thought they did, because they over marketed to you. So I just wish more coaches would just be authentic, be who they are. Like, you ever find these personalities where they're like all excited and they're screaming, and then you meet them like privately and like, man, dude, you're nothing like who I saw on the internet. Well, I can tell you this. I am who I am. I can't change who I am. I'm not going to change for other people. My family loves me. I'm hoping you guys love the content you get it, and I hope you see it, my son. I'm authentic, and I just have to tell the truth because I don't have to go out and find the truth if I tell you the truth. I'm not constantly searching or ducking people when I get it. My focus is on you guys and eliminating the barriers. So my focus is on real estate investing. It's not a coaching model. So by me doing deals and constantly learning and sharing it with you, to me, it is the best way to connect. And people always say, Rick, what's your end game? My end game is really to have the biggest community out there, real estate investors, particularly wholesalers that want to get their first deal without being stuck in the coach guru business model. That's it. If we do that, the more I share with you, the more I learn, the more I can network with you guys, and we all win in this situation. I'm not going to run you ads. I'm not going to reach in your pocket, guys. There's no reason we all can't thrive together. So transparency is key. Being authentic is everything. And that's who I am. And that's why I'm Flip with Rick. And I refuse to compromise my values. So guys, if you like this content, if you like information like this, I mean, I'm being really vulnerable today and I'll probably get a lot of crap from people, but it is what it is. I have friends that are coaches. I'm not knocking them. A lot of them are good, but I'm tired of the old way of doing business. We need to all change together. Guys, you want to continue to get free information just like this from myself and Zach? Do me a favor. Smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this video with as many people as possible, understanding there is no barrier for you to get started in real estate investing, specifically in wholesaling. Guys, this is Rick Ginn with Flip with Rick, and I'll see you soon.